model, 2015 Peugeot Boxer 435 L4H3 long wheelbase, extra high top 2.2 Hdi transit engine spares repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 145271. MOT, 3 May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized, straightforward engine replacement job which is the same as a Ford Transit Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. This is a really rare van, being an L4 extra long wheelbase, and also having the super high extra high top roof Starstruck.